In this video I'm going to show you how the control panel and the heating and hot water works in Wilf and Walter. So to start off with the control panel, to turn it on you press this button here and it will all light up. Now the first thing to note is you can see that this green dot is illuminated, and this shows that currently we are working off the leisure battery of the van. Once you are connected to the mains hookup, this little light here will also light up. Now what we don't want is an amber light here at the front, because this indicates that it's the van battery that is being used to run the lighting, etc. in the motorhome. So if that amber light is on, you will need to press this button here with the L on it just to move it back to the leisure battery. Now to show the levels of what your leisure battery is showing, van battery, your waste tank and your fresh water, you press this button here. So this button shows us that the van battery is good, the leisure battery is also good, it's in the green. I'll press it again. The wastewater is empty, there's only one little dot there, and the fresh water tank is 3/4 full. This button here turns the awning light outside on and off. This one here turns the lights on and off inside the motorhome. You also have various light switches around the motorhome, if I just show you down here, that will turn different lights on and off, as well as little lights, I'll show you under here, that will turn on and off just by the switch. Lots of lighting opportunity. This one here is for the water pump, so you would need that on to use the sink, shower or to flush the loo. And then this button there is frost prevention mode, but you wouldn't need to use that one. So moving to the heating and the hot water, you need to make sure that your control panel's on, which it is. If I press this button, so we've got our motorhome, which is our heating. We've got our thermometer, which is our hot water. We've got our gas bottle here, which is our energy source. And this fan is to do with venting the motorhome. So if we start off with the heating, you just rotate this button to move along the options. Press it in to select the heating. It's currently off. So we would turn it up to 18 degrees. You want to make sure that the energy source it's running off is available. So at the minute it's on electric. No, it's not, it's on gas. And to move it to electric, you turn it round. So it will either be EL2, so that shows that you're using the electric, or gas. Now if we go to, we'll just turn the heating off. So you turn it all the way around till it says off and select. Then we go to the hot water and we set either to eco, hot or boost. So eco is about 42 degrees, hot is about 62 degrees, and boost will prioritise the heating of the hot water over the heating of the van. You shouldn't really need it unless it's cold outside, so either eco or hot is adequate. Now if I select hot, you will notice that this symbol at the top appears up here. Now that will start to flash in a minute, similar to what that one's doing there. Once that's flashing, it shows that the hot water is being heated up. Once it's static, then the water is up to temperature. So see, that's now starting to flash, so it's heating the hot water up in the boiler. Once that stays static again, the water is up to temperature. I will just turn that off. And then we've got the vent. So if you just wanted some outside air circulating through the van at night, for example, you've got vent, and you press select, and then you've got your fan speed. You probably don't need any more than about 4 or 5, and it just keeps the air circulating throughout the van. So to come back out of any of these, you can press the back button here. If you do get a warning symbol, it will appear down here and it will give you an error code. And that error code can be found in the manual for what it means. Normally it means that the energy source you've selected isn't available. But if you've got any queries on that, there is a page in the manual that shows you what those error codes mean. And that's it for the heating, hot water and the control panel.